Brian Pavlov, I run far here with Xavier Thévenard, or that's how I would say it in English. What is your name?
Quel est ton nom en français? Tu peux le prononcer en anglais.
Xavier Thévenard.
Congratulations on your great run.
Merci.
Félicitations pour ta belle course.
Very few runners around the world know you, and even fewer in the United States. But you have a long history of endurance sport. Can you tell us some about your endurance sports background?
Donc il y a beaucoup de coureurs qui te connaissent, mais des États-Unis, on aimerait savoir quel est ton parcours pendant que tu étais jeune, ton parcours sportif.
À la base, je suis skieur de fond, donc je suis né, on peut dire, avec les skis au pied. Mon père est moniteur de ski, et puis j'habitais d'une petite station de ski dans le Jura, sur le plateau de Rotor plus précisément.
Yes, we can say that he born with a ski on his feet because he began very early, because he was living in a very little ski resort near the Jura. His father is a ski teacher, and he began very, very early, at 5.
That seems very similar to a story of many top European mountain runners.
Yes, it is.
It's not just skiing; they are in the mountains. It's part of. They've been doing it forever. Yes.
Yes. Comme tous les skieurs, quand on commence le ski, on est dans la montagne et puis on fait toujours.
You are only 25 years old.
Yes. 25 ans. Yes.
But you won the CCC 3 years ago when you were 22. That is very young to be racing so long. How did you get involved in ultra trail?
Mais tu as déjà gagné la CCC, tu avais 22 ans, tu étais déjà très jeune pour gagner la CCC, encore plus jeune pour gagner l'UTMB, donc comment tu analyses ça? Comment tu as pu gagner en étant si jeune?
Kylian a déjà gagné l'UTMB à 20 ans, alors pourquoi pas gagner la CCC à 22 ans ou gagner l'UTMB à 25 ans?
Yes, Kylian won his first UTMB, he was 20, so why don't he won the CCC, he was 22, and the UTMB is 25. Why not?
Still, but what interested you about ultra trail? Why did you become involved?
Qu'est-ce qui t'intéresse dans l'ultra trail et comment tu t'es engagé dans la super longue distance?
Donc avec mon passé de skieur de fond, on fait beaucoup d'entraînements longs et l'entraînement long, ça me plaît. J'adore passer du temps dans la montagne, c'est une passion, et puis passer du temps dehors.
First of all, he's a cross-country skier, and he made long distances like la Transjurassienne in France or la Basalopette in Sweden. So he used to train on a very long time, and he liked it. He liked stay in the nature, and he likes staying in nature by training. So it's his nature.
So rather than be on roller skis during the summer, you want to run in the mountains?
Tu fais du ski roue l'été en montagne?
Ça m'arrive, ouais.
Yes, sometimes.
But more, he prefers to run in the mountains?
Tu préfères courir plutôt?
Je préfère courir.
Yes, he prefers, yes.
Yes.
Prefer during summer.
You won the CCC 3 years ago. Had you run many ultra trail before that, or was that your debut?
Quand tu as couru la CCC, est-ce que c'était le premier? Est-ce que depuis tu as fait d'autres ultra trails? C'était le premier très long, la CCC?
C'était mon premier très long.
The CCC was his first ultra trail, and entre les deux.
J'ai déjà fait 70 km avant la CCC.
Before the CCC, he ran 70 km.
Okay.
Avant, entre les deux.
Entre la CCC et l'UTMB, l'endurance de Templiers, 110 km.
And he won.
Yes, 2011 you won Templiers.
He won the Templiers, 120 km.
So you've run CCC and you've run UTMB. What is different about the two races?
Between the races or between the victories? What is different
between CCC and UTMB?
La différence entre les deux courses.
La CCC c'est la petite sœur, donc ça a beaucoup d'importance, mais gagner l'UTMB c'est quand même autre chose, c'est plus.
The CCC is the little sister, so it's very important, but it's it's much more the UTMB, of course.
Yes. So you did win the UTMB these past 2 days. Tell us some of your experience.
Donc tu as gagné, ça y est, c'est fait, tu l'as fait. Donc raconte-nous.
C'est encore beaucoup d'émotions et puis je commence un peu à réaliser, mais les prochains jours qui vont arriver, je pense que ça va être. Il faut que je prenne le temps de poser les choses et. Ouais, voilà, on peut dire.
There are still a lot of emotion. He can't realize now. It's very difficult for him to realize. He enjoyed it, but he thinks that the days after it will be different for him, and he realized really the victory.
It's like good wine, it ages with time and gets better.
Yeah. Oui, c'est comme le bon vin, avec le temps, ça va être de mieux en mieux. Ça va être...
Yes. During the race, during the first part of the race, you were running with some of the best trail runners in the world. You were running with Chaurier, Eras, Anton Kupichka. Were you intimidated?
Pendant la première partie de la course, tu as couru avec les plus grands coureurs du monde, Kupica, Chaurier, Eras. Est-ce que tu as été intimidé?
Moi, je me suis pas occupé d'eux. J'ai fait ma course, j'ai géré. Je me suis mis dans ma bulle et puis voilà. Ouais, putain, je trouve pas.
He says he didn't pay attention of the others runner. Neither the others and neither Kupica, Chaurier or the others. They are runners. He would like to stay in his race because he says it's important to stay in his race and to enjoy running.
How are you able to stay in your race and run so consistently when you have not run for so many hours before?
Again.
The longest race you've run is Les Templiers.
Oui.
This is much longer in terms of hours.
Oui.
How did he run so consistently and run his own race?
Donc tu as
without
gagné les
experience?
Templiers, c'était une certaine distance, une certaine longueur, mais là c'était encore plus grand. Donc comment tu as appréhendé cela? Le fait que ça soit encore plus long.
Bah, si on est bien préparé déjà dans la tête bien avant, les années avant, donc
For him, it's not difficult to appreciate the longer of the length of the race because he prepared long time before in his head and he's very well prepared to the length of the race.
So the mental is as important as the physical.
yes.
Le mental est aussi important que le physique. Of course, it is.
Do you have any favorite memories or moments from
Ton meilleur
the
moment
race?
de cette course.
L'arrivée reste
Le finish line.
mémorable.
What do you consume? What food and drink do you consume during the race?
Qu'est-ce que tu as mangé? Qu'est-ce que tu as bu pendant la course?
Pommes de terre, de la banane.
Potatoes, bananas, and he only drink water.
Real food.
Yeah, yes, but not only,
No,
not
no.
only gel and energy bar, but he needs potatoes and needs bananas, real food.
So a
yes.
mix.
Yes, both.
Do you have any other running plans for this year?
Donc,
Race plans?
la prochaine course. No.
No?
He doesn't know, and he discussed with the coach, with the trainer, and but now the essential is the recovery
Yes.
and enjoy the victory. Hein, je pense que l'essentiel c'est la récupération et qu'il apprécie cette victoire.
Are there any races in the US that interest you?
Est-ce que ça t'intéresserait une course aux États-Unis?
In the future?
Yes.
Oui.
Any
Yeah.
particular
Est-ce
races?
que tu aurais un nom? Est-ce qu'il y a quelque chose, une course à laquelle tu penses?
C'est laquelle à côté d'Edville?
La Leadville.
Leadville.
Yeah.
Maybe the Leadville because Thomas Blanchet, another race of the team,
Yeah, basically, yes.
won this race.
So you go run
Maybe.
faster than him?
Est-ce que tu vas aller plus vite que lui?
Not only did you win yesterday, you ran the fastest time on the course. Did you imagine that was possible?
Tu as gagné cette course et en plus tu as le record. Tu as déjà imaginé ça? Tu pensais que c'était possible?
Je me suis jamais posé la question en fait de si c'était possible ou pas. Je me suis préparé et puis je me suis bien préparé
He never wonder if it's possible or not. He prepared the race, only prepared, good preparation.
Well, you made great preparation. Congratulations on your
Tu as fait une
run.
belle préparation, félicitations.
Thank you.
And one bonus question. You are from the Jura Mountains. How are those mountains different than
Donc question
Mont Blanc.
bonus, tu viens du Jura, qu'est-ce qui est différent avec le Mont Blanc?
C'est la montagne est moins haute que le Mont Blanc, beaucoup plus de forêts et beaucoup plus le Jura reste plus sauvage, on va dire, et préservé que les Alpes, un peu plus exploitées.
Of course, Jura is less high than the Alps, less high than the Mont Blanc, and there are more trees, more forests, and maybe it's more savage, less exploitation, less human exploitation than the Alps with the resource.
more wild?
More
natural?
wild, more wild, yes.
Well, go enjoy your wild and beautiful mountains.
Au revoir et profite bien de ces montagnes sauvages.